Philippine Navy to receive first ASW helicopter, Spike ER missiles in 2018. The Philippine Navy will soon be equipped with the Spike ER anti-ship missile system, and its first ASW helicopter. Deliveries will significantly bolster the service's anti-submarine and anti-surface capabilities. The Philippine Navy PN will receive the first of two AW159 multi-mission maritime helicopters with anti-submarine warfare ASW capabilities from Anglo-Italian defense company Leonardo in 2018. A report published by the official Philippine News Agency PNA, citing the Department of National Defense DND spokesperson Arsenio Andolong, indicates that the two helicopters will arrive in country in the fourth quarter of 2018 and early 2019 respectively. In 2016, the DND awarded Leonardo a PHP $5.3 billion $106 million contract for two aircraft under the country's anti-submarine helicopter acquisition project for the PN.